You back. We have been waiting for you. And nitono nchokuigua tu misete gukuona. Welcome back.
Asante.
Karibu sana with this great team. Tukagukwira nitukenete niwe.
I'm happy.
Ona kumagana na gucoka na ngai gugucokia.
Asante sana.
Ona kura ri ni njui wega muno ngai nyagutugite. Riu ni twage kwero kamrege uke tuthie na mbere na wira. Tutigukuhurukia ithu tugucokia ro wira-ini. Nigetha tucokie tungata-ini. We as the priesthood uguo turi haha. They are all the priesthoodians ambao tumekuja kukwambia we love you and we love you so much. Tunakupenda sana na kazi bado tumeshikilia na ibada inaendelea. Kazi ya Mungu tunafanya.
I thank God. Nimefurahia sana pia kuwakuta.
Welcome back.
Na Joshua mara jiria na waugite ati ndigatokeni kugutie kiro.
Tugite cokio hana uri mwega.
So maikarite metereire kana ni ukunegena.
Ni twaria watu wa UK ni twacokia ngatho. We have received our Archbishop back na ni twakira twacokia ngatho ni tondu wa guturera Archbishop witu na riu acoka ri wega uria turamunengerete na ni atukinyeria ngeithi cianyu murora thimu ni ngai na maundu maria mothe mumutugite namo mweterere oro na ithu no tuguka mutikanathirwo ni utano ucio na riria muri ukanja muhuri mukinye bururi-ini wa Kenya mumenyage wega muno makiria there is a seat reserved for you thini wa kanitha wa priesthood ni ndita Bishop Mwangi Zakayo ndamunyita ogeni muguka Kenya mwakinya Kenya mukoreria kanitha wa priesthood mugoka mugathoma tondu inyu muri aitu muno na ngai amurathime muno makiria ni tondu uria mwaruka mana Bishop karibu sana papa. Thank you karibu sana
muno na bali mwiki karena iyo UK
niguo
mabũrũri maria mothe kana states cianyu turahotire gucera na inyui kuma Nottingham, Scotland, Ireland, Belfast, Bristol, Sweden, Reading, na koreko gwethe itagiririkana. I'm so happy for you. Later on, nĩngũgĩa na ihinda rĩa kũmũcokeria ngatho ona rĩngĩ kũmũgweta na marĩtwa nĩ wendo ũrĩa mũnyoneti na nĩ muona ndacoka mũciĩ wega. Our bishop is here. Tumeona kuna furaha because you handled me well. Elders wa kanisa wako hapa, our pastors, our reverends are here. I think the whole clergy is here when the bishop is here. And I'm so happy even to see them. They were praying for me and they were praying for you. What your UK, you always shine. May God bless you. The team that hosted me know all those places. Hare ho turagiaga kuria na kunywa na kushira na gucamania. Ngai arotura amumenyereire. Nona thutha uyu thii na mbere gutwirorera na gututhikiriria. Tuko hapa waigwa bishop uga kanitha ni murore. Wira Ngai ni mwega na ndoyo kimarorothe ni urona ni athaka. So the church is good. I'm so happy my Lord Bishop kwa mucie. Gukora mama ako hapa. Na huyu kijana mdogo. Nataka kukuta bishop wetu hapa, kukuta wachungaji, kukuta marafiki, kukuta wazee wa kanisa. Ona yue mure age ho